In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new board and card in Trello. Trello is a wonderful tool for organizing projects and managing tasks, and setting up a new board and card is one of its foundational features. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll need to head over to Trello.com. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to log in. You'll typically find the login button prominently displayed on the homepage. Click on it and you'll be directed to a page where you can enter your credentials. You have the option to log in using your email, or if you prefer, your Google account, which makes it convenient if you're already signed into Google. After successfully logging in, navigate over to the boards section. This is where all your awesome Trello boards will live. You'll see an option that says create new board. Click on this and a prompt will appear asking you to name your board. This is where creativity comes into play, as the name should clearly reflect the purpose of the board. Next, you'll be asked to select a workspace. If you're part of a team or company, make sure to choose the appropriate workspace so everyone who needs access can easily find the board. Setting the visibility of your board is crucial as well. You can make your board private or visible to your team, or even public if that suits your project needs. After you've configured those options, hit the create button and voila, you've got a brand new Trello board at your disposal. Alternatively, there's another way to create a board. In your board section, you'll notice a little plus button. Clicking on this will also prompt you to name your board, select a workspace, and set the visibility. Once that's done, just click create to finalize the setup. Now that you have your board ready, it's time to add some structure with lists. Within your board, you'll see an option to add list. Click on that and give your list a name, something that represents a phase or category in your project workflow. For example, you might have lists for to do, in progress, and done. Once you have your list set up, let's talk about adding cards. Cards are like tasks or ideas that will populate each list. You'll find an option to add a card under any list you've created. Click on this and then name your card. Think of the card name as a brief placeholder that summarizes the task or idea. There you go. With your board, lists and cards in place, you're well on your way to managing your projects more efficiently with Trello. It's all about organizing tasks so you can keep track of your workflow in a visually appealing and intuitive way. Enjoy your productive journey with Trello.